mid-December. In North Somerset, we're in tier 3 lockdown. So this is a little fast packing trip. As best or as adventurous as I can make it while staying within the lockdown rules. So I started from home. I'll actually be camping in my back garden tonight. That's the only place I'm allowed to camp. I'll then head out again tomorrow from home for another circuit. This evening, I think I might have just missed the sunrise. Might have just missed the sunset, but I hope to get up in time to see the sunrise tomorrow. So here goes. Almost 5 o'clock now, beginning to get dark, and especially getting darker now that I'm in amongst the trees. It's about 5:15 in the evening now, completely dark, fairly clear, bit wet underfoot, but good running weather. Heading out to the coast. Oh, can't see where I'm going. Try over here. This light is blinding me. Heading across to the coast path in Clevedon. I'm going to head around the coast for a few kilometres. Should be quite nice. On the coastal path now. I can hardly see, I'm blinding myself again with my camera light. But a few kilometres around the coastal path here. Bristol Channel to the left hand side. And across over the other side over there is Wales. That's the end of day one. That was about 24 kilometres, I think. I'm now at the campsite, my back garden, and I'm going to set up the tent and settle in for the evening. Good morning, it's about 6:15 and I'm heading off out again now. It's a beautiful morning, quite clear, a bit wet underfoot as you can probably hear, but I think it's going to be a very nice sunrise. A few clouds in the sky, but looking as though it's clearing, so I think it's going to be a very nice day. Lovely. Oh, 8 o'clock in the morning, up on the top of Backwell Hill, and it is an absolutely stunning morning. Nice and clear, still very, very wet underfoot, but it's going to be a good run. Getting tired now as I'm ascending back up Backwell Hill again, this time to the Jubilee Stone. It's almost 9:30 AM, finally out in the sun, and it's great to feel that warmth on my face. Absolutely fantastic, stunning morning. Nearly back home now. Been absolutely fantastic. Done about 25k today. Had that onto the 25k yesterday, so 50k, and a night camping in my garden. Absolutely loved it, really enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.